We started Avagon a little more than a year ago with an idea. The idea was to create a product that's audio when you want it, it fits where you already have room for your headphones, it adds visual, and you can just plug it in and push a button.
Here at Avagon, we've created the Avagon Glyph. It's this amazing convergence audio-video device that contains our core technology, which is what's called a virtual retinal display. What a virtual retinal display is a display with no screen. We use a series of micromirrors and patented optics to try to create this really vivid, natural, comfortable light so that when you see images inside the Glyph, it seems so much more realistic and sharp and brilliant, unlike any image you've ever seen before.
Where we initially thought this would apply to the military market, we realized that consumers who watch movies have the exact same requirements. Into anything that you can hook a screen up to, our device can quickly plug into and interface with. We're using micro mirror arrays for a variety of reasons. It has a really high fill factor, and what that does is it creates a solid image rather than a pixelated image where you can see a screen door effect. This is really important for image quality. The speed of the image that you see is very quick, and this is important for any sort of augmented application or virtual reality application where there are inputs like head tracking.
Whether you're sitting on an airplane, waiting for a bus, or just simply hanging out at home, all you need to do is flip down the visor and suddenly you're immersed in this whole new world. We want to make sure that this is an amazing experience for everything you own today, everything you want to buy today. But we also look at developers. We think that developers are extremely creative and they're going to come up with brand new ways to use the Glyph in ways that we can't even imagine.
When we started Second Life, the way that you had to get into the virtual world was using a mouse and a keyboard and a screen. But there's so much happening right now around this idea of how the more head-mounted display can be made to work well. The first time I saw the Avagon prototype, I was really intrigued. The brightness and the fact that I really couldn't see the visible pixels in front of myself, I thought were very positive aspects of this display, in addition to the fact that we're going to have the option here to integrate a gyro and head movement motion into what you see on the screen.
The best way to sell anyone on a technology device is a compelling demo, and the first time I saw the Glyph, it was beyond compelling. The high quality audio and video in such a small form factor is amazingly innovative and game-changing.
The thing that really excites me about this job is to be part of a team that is reinventing the future. It's not about just building a better product. It's actually building a platform nobody's ever seen before.
When we first proved this concept of this technology, it was the size of a coffee table. And after a lot of engineering and packaging, we finally had a pair of glasses that we could put on and enjoy this visual experience. The current prototype that we have is the result of several generations of prototyping. We've handcrafted a small number of these prototypes, as people saw at CES, but we need to make more of these. We're launching this Kickstarter because we need to make sure we can justify the volumes of manufacturing to get the Avagon Glyph down to a price point that's affordable for everybody. Being based in Michigan, we have fantastic resources here, and we're committed to making as much of this product in the US as we can.
We're really proud of what we've done here over the last year, but the next steps wouldn't be possible without the Kickstarter community. We're really excited to have you join us as we pioneer a new generation of media.
We can't wait till you get the chance to put on the Avagon Glyph and experience what a virtual retinal display looks like. It's like nothing you've ever seen.
Girl about a 10, I should fuck her in the Benz.